All right, Bill, we are ready for the cold
Here
and
we
the
go.
rain.
Yeah, cold in place, and now comes the moisture. In fact, closing in, we've been cloudy all day today. Clouds rolled in and thickened actually late last night, and now temperatures have actually gotten colder. Looks like we're going to get some good soaking totals out of this Thursday. Much needed rain. Remember, we're still in extreme drought. Biggest change is going to be the winter weather advisory. We start there. It's going to be in the hill country, comes down as far south as Bernie, Bandera, Pipe Creek. It's going to include Kerrville, Mountain Home, Lakey, Rock Springs, even Del Rio, because this is where we could see the frozen precip accumulate. This goes into effect tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., goes until Friday at 6 a.m. Socked in every direction. Visibility's fine, but these clouds are definitely going to be stubborn. We won't see the sun for a while. Temperature-wise, we're kind of just holding right around 40 degrees in most cases. Lakey, 44 with that south wind warming them up a little bit. 43 here in the city, 41 at Bulverde, 39 Elmendorf, Helotes, and Floresville running at 38 degrees. Overnight, we're not expecting temperatures to do a whole lot. These are the kind of weather patterns with this cloudy deck and all of the moisture on the way where numbers just don't budge much. You can see just above freezing at Kerrville. It's going to be close. Same at Fredericksburg and Rock Springs. But once you get into the city, we're looking at upper 30s, and that's good news. Then tomorrow afternoon, look at this. I mean, temperatures barely budge, maybe a degree or two, as we expect highs to stay right around 40 degrees. Let's take a look at this upper level feature. Look at this. I mean, this is a huge deepening low right now. Part of this system is the culprit behind the high winds of Southern California fueling all the fires. Now, this is all warm, moist Pacific air riding up over the top of a very cold air layer at the surface. So it's the classic overrunning setup that brings in the moisture that's already started with some snow west of San Angelo, just north of Del Rio, across I-20 and I-10. And you can see that it's really kind of moving more north than due east. So Sonora may be getting clipped, northern Valverde County, maybe a light sprinkle. But a lot of what we see on radar is going to struggle to reach the surface because of how dry it is. Remember, we call this virga in meteorology, where you see it on radar because it's in the clouds and it's on its descent, and then it just gets hit and eaten up by this dry air at the surface, and we don't get a flake, a drop, or a sleet pellet. So that could be the case, too, with a lot of what this radar is going to show. But by tomorrow, this rain should be reaching the surface. This is the 6 a.m. future radar, and we expect some light rain to start in San Antonio and some sleet across Rock Springs and northern Valverde County, pushing into Kerrville, Fredericksburg by about mid-morning hours tomorrow. Notice we stay all liquid in the city, and also notice where temperatures are. All above 32, that is key. And that's why the future rain model is showing us a lot of rain staying liquid with heavy downpours in here. That's why we're expecting some pretty decent rain totals before this is said and done on Friday morning. Ice totals about 1/10 of an inch going to be possible. Fredericksburg up towards Kerrville or down towards Kerrville, and even clipping Camp Wood and some spots in Real County. And then look at the rainfall for us. I mean, we're looking between 1 and 2 inches of rain for San Antonio and some spots to the east. Just what the doctor ordered on what we need the most, because again, we're in extreme drought. All right, 14-day forecast tomorrow. Weather impact alert. I've dropped it for Friday because the moisture is going to be out of the way by sunrise Friday. Only a 30% chance of a morning shower, then a high of 46, warming up to 56 by Saturday, 60 on Sunday. Nice looking weekend, by the way. And then the clouds roll back in. The next front comes with a chance of rain Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. And you can even see a slight chance staying Thursday, Friday, and even the weekend of January 18th.